Welcome back to Yo Spill, and I hope you guys are having a good day. So, we're going to get straight into the action. I left Pennsylvania about 5:30 in the morning. It was about 32 degrees on my way to Florida. On the trip down, I stopped by my friend Dell's. He has the H2B Civic. He runs the YouTube channel Driven Films. We went to his local track, had a great time, got to watch a lot of racing. So that is going to be all included in this video. And then once we get to Florida, we're going to stop by my friend's local dealership. We're going to get an oil change. We're going to check the alignment on the Juke since I installed the BC coilovers, which I didn't make a video on, but you guys have seen coilover installs. If you go back and check out the Neon install, it's basically the same thing. The Juke already had coilovers on it. The only thing that I changed was I went 8K front spring rates, 10K rear spring rates. The old Megans had 5K front and 5K rear. The reason why I did this is I wanted some anti-squat for drag racing and to help autocrossing. And then later tonight, we might go check out a street race in Florida. So hope you guys are ready for an action-packed video, and let's get right into it. balls during camera, that'd be fucked up.
Ew. Rock knock, actually.
What?
I said this shook